Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be removing swirl valves from a 3.0 liter diesel engine V6. And that one's gonna be a little bit more challenging. No, don't leave it alone. Leave it alone. So this is part of the same system. So look at this, Jace. See? We took this off as one piece.
There's one outside.
Hey, yeah, there is. We're missing one piece. It's plastic. There's some bolts in here. It's been lost. Do you see it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. So looks like it just installs like this. It's just supposed to control these swirl valves. They're right here. They open up and close. So here is the oil cooler. Jason, we're gonna need to clean this thing up in here.
Yeah.
And I don't want you to do those. I'm gonna do them myself. They're really easy to strip.
These?
Okay? Yeah. Okay?
I can't do them right now.
We need to first find out what kind. You see, they're really small. So it's going to be really easy to strip them. Just we need to, I don't know, like vacuum in here or something. It's really dirty. It's a large oil cooler.
So what kind of bolt I can take off?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit a like. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe. I help Sprinter owners all the time. Guys, if you are looking for Sprinter parts, I have all these parts available in my eBay store. You can actually follow the link in the description below. It's Zimaleta Motors Store. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.